This movie about XRP Ripple is the worst thing I've ever seen. We all know about the lawsuit between XRP and the SEC. Now, reports are going around that Ripple will pay a $10 million fine in a few days and that the price of XRP Ripple could go through the roof, reaching $250. That sounds interesting, right? This is important because the fine was expected to be in the billions before. This is too important to miss. You'll be amazed. Nota bene. XRP Ripple has been a big deal in the world of cryptocurrencies, especially since it is still in court with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Investors, lawyers, and cryptocurrency fans are all very interested in this case and are keeping a close eye on any changes that could affect the future of XRP Ripple. There has been a lot of talk lately about a possible deal between Ripple and the SEC. Encapsulates the hope that many people in the crypto world have. XRP will not be stopped once the SEC case is over. This feeling supports the idea that a positive outcome could open up huge growth opportunities for XRP. You can feel the excitement. Viral Tape Master pointed out that a tweet was always late. XRP's SEC. The wait goes on. The much-anticipated meeting behind closed doors has been moved to August 7th. Will this delay make a deal more likely or less likely? Each new meeting puts investors on edge, and this delay has made things even more tense. CryptoPalm tweeted that the SEC would hold a meeting behind closed doors on August 8th. This settlement could lead to getting along with Ripple again. Pay close attention to Ripple. The price will surely go through the roof once the settlement is made. The repeated delays haven't slowed down the excitement. Instead, they've made people even more eager for a breakthrough. The market's response on July 31st, when the SEC delayed its August 1st meeting, which sent XRP prices down, showed how these delays affected things. As XRP News Today reported, the price of XRP fell on news of the SEC meeting and settlement rumors, showing how volatile this court case is. You can't say enough about how important a deal is. In an interview in July, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, wouldn't say anything about talks with the SEC, which added to the rumors. In the time since then, the SEC has had one secret meeting and two no-shows. The SEC website says that the next closed meeting will be on August 8th and will have the same topic as the lost August 1st meeting. There are many important reasons why a deal would be huge. About what can be done in the SEC vs. Ripple case. Judge Torres said in July 2023 that Ripple broke securities laws when it sold unregistered XRP to institutional buyers. However, he said that programmatic sales of XRP did not meet the third part of the Howey test, which is a key part of figuring out if an asset is a security. If the SEC and Ripple agree to a settlement, the SEC might not be able to review the decision on programmatic sales. This could make it possible for ETF makers to apply for XRP spot ETFs, which could cause a huge demand spike for XRP. A US XRP spot ETF market would change everything because it would add liquidity and credibility to XRP trade. What about the price of XRP Ripple? What do experts think the possible result of the XRP Ripple court case might be? Could this win change the crypto market as a whole? Huge things are at stake. Also, I'm sure you're not ready for what's next. There is a lot of excitement around XRP Ripple right now, especially since the SEC case is still going on and is getting attention from all over the financial world. Fans and investors aren't just interested in the court drama. They are very interested in what will happen with the price of XRP in the future. There are more and more wild guesses, which is making the buzz stronger. A well-known person in the XRP community named Chad Stinggraber has made an especially interesting prediction. He thinks that by 2025, XRP could go through the roof and reach $250. Based on how much XRP is worth now, this would be a huge increase of around 40,000%. Steingraber thinks the price will first rise to $20 and $25. At that point, many investors might sell, losing out on the chance to make even more money. His prediction has caused a lot of discussion among market experts and people who are interested in cryptocurrencies. Steingraber is more trustworthy because of what he has done in the past. When asked about how accurate he was, he talked about past statements like when the FedNow service would go live and when Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds would be approved. With fans like Jack the Rippler tweeting, these correct predictions have gained a lot of support. The community's hope is not unfounded. A settlement in the SEC case could push up the price of XRP and take away a big source of doubt. Many experts are guessing what benefits Ripple might get from this possible result, especially in terms of more institutional investment and wider adoption. The idea of XRP spot ETFs is a key part of this equation. This is called an exchange-traded fund ETF. It is an investment fund that is bought and sold on stock markets like stocks. ETFs let buyers buy shares that are linked to a group of assets, in this case XRP, without actually holding the cryptocurrency itself. This makes it possible for regular buyers to get into the crypto market without having to buy and store digital currencies, which can be hard to do. It would be important for many reasons if an XRP spot ETF was approved. For starters, it would make XRP more acceptable to regular investors, which would boost demand. Second, it would make it easier for big investors to get into the market. These investors usually prefer regulated investment vehicles to buying cryptocurrencies directly. Lastly, it would probably make XRP more stable and easy to trade, which would lower price volatility and bring in even more buyers. Rely on a number of things, including how the SEC case turns out, the possibility of XRP spot ETFs, and Ripple's progress in making cross-border payment technologies better. If all of these things work out well, the goal of $250 might not be completely out of reach. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, won't say anything about talks with the SEC, which makes things even more tense. The neighborhood is still hopeful. Analysts and investors are looking forward to the next meeting behind closed doors on August 8th. As people get more excited, the XRP market stays a wild ride of hope and fantasy. Now we'll talk about the new agreements that XRP and Ripple have made. Behind the scenes, different plans are being made that not many people are aware of. But believe me, you'll be sorry you missed such a strong sign. You'll be shocked. 2. So, in a big step forward, San Francisco-based blockchain company Ripple has announced that treasury bills will be tokenized and added to the XRP ledger through a partnership with OpenEden, a platform for tokenization. This new idea could completely change the cryptocurrency market, which could make XRP very valuable. If XRP system gets a piece of this trillion-dollar tokenization pie, trillions of dollars could flood into the crypto market. This would probably have a hugely positive effect on the price of XRP. This move could mean a lot of growth and acceptance, which supports Ripple's goal of a blockchain that can be used for high-level financial transactions. Ripple's news release says that the T-bill tokens on its platform are backed by short-term treasury bills and reverse repurchase agreements that are backed by treasuries. To keep things safe and in line with regulations, miners of tokens on the XRP system will have to go through Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering checks. This adherence to regulatory standards is very important, especially since Ripple is still in court cases, because it shows that Ripple wants to follow normal banking practices. Treasury bills are a safe way to trade because they are short-term debt obligations backed by the government. By turning these treasury bills into tokens, buyers can spread out their holdings and take advantage of the benefits of blockchain technology's liquidity and openness. There are now over $1 billion worth of stocks tokenized on public blockchains like Ethereum, Avalanche, Stellar, and Polygon. This shows that the market is strong and growing. OpenEden's T-bill tokens have been given $10 million by Ripple. Marcus Infanger, Senior Vice President at xrp+, talked about how important this change is. The addition of treasury bills to the XRP ledger driven by OpenEden strengthens the decentralized Layer 1 blockchain, according to Infanger. Institutions are looking more and more at where to tokenize their real world. This move not only shows that Ripple believes in the future of tokenized assets, but it's also a smart move to make the XRP ledger more useful and appealing to big investors. Some people also think that the $10 million set aside for T-bill tokens could be used to settle the SEC case that is still going on. If Ripple is able to settle, it could lift a big cloud of doubt over XRP, which could cause its price to go through the roof. People in the community are already getting excited about the possibility of such a deal. Many see it as a turning point for Ripple and XRP. The only question now is, what do you think about that? I think the XRP Ripple token will go up in value. What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.